DJI Osmo, so small, like the size of my hand. Turn on like this, flip it to me. Now it's just like looking at me. We have a little approach that's super flat, and then we'll head and start to gain some incline. But look at this view, it's absolutely insane. Okay, so we are 6 kilometers into this trek. This entire hike, you see like the best views. Everything is like really out in front. When you like drive to the parking lot, there's so many mountains. We're just in trees still, and then I think we'll soon be in open meeting again. I pulled up a little bit more ahead of everyone. This view is actually so insane. It is so hot. We've been here for an hour and it's time to leave, which is so sad. We had our lunch, enjoyed the absolutely beautiful mountains. It's kind of cool too because you can come to the lake. You can also just go up to this higher peak here. We did come midday, which it's nice because the weather is so lovely. But I don't know if I would recommend. There are definitely a lot of people here right now. There's probably like over 100 people. Like if this ridge line is actually covered with people. We're heading back now. Already hiked 11.5 kilometers, another 11.5, and then we'll be done. Goodbye. Beautiful Fitzroy. It is so warm. I just cannot get over how for this, I definitely thought that it would be not that warm. Now it's just so hot.